Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to introduce an electrically operated vacuum pickup suction pen model IVS 381A sold by India Enterprises. Today we will give you introduction about this product and the contents supplied along with this system. So let's start and open this box first. See, the operating manual is supplied along with this system. The second thing is this main control unit IVS 381A. This is the foot switch for connecting it to the main unit, and with the help of foot switch we can activate the vacuum. This is the vacuum suction pen. Two type of suction nozzles are provided. One is the straight one, other one is curved, and two type of suction pads are also supplied. One suction pad is of 8 mm width and other is of 6 mm. Now we will see how this system is connected to the external power source, and then we will connect the vacuum pickup pen to the main unit. So we need to just remove this twisted wire and connect it to the external power supply. It is operated on 230 volt AC power supply. This foot switch is connected on the rear side of this unit. See, this metallic connector is inserted inside this socket. Now the foot switch is connected. Foot switch is used to activate and deactivate the vacuum, and then one fuse holder is also provided. So when this unit is not switching on, we need to check this fuse with the help of a multimeter. Now we will connect this vacuum pickup pen to the main unit. Now this suction pipe is connected on this outlet, and then we will connect this suction pad and nozzles to the vacuum pickup pen. You can either choose straight suction nozzle or the curved one depending upon our application, and suitable size of a suction pad is also used for picking suitable SMD component. See, all these accessories are connected to the main unit. The functioning of this system: first we will switch it on by pressing this push switch. Now it is activated. Now we will show you how to increase and decrease the suction by rotating the knob clockwise and anti-clockwise. We can adjust the suction capability. Now we will show you how it can pick and place a small SMD component. We will press the foot switch first. The vacuum will be activated. Then we will place the pen over a SMD component, and by releasing the foot switch we can drop it down. Now we will show you how it can lift a heavy PCB. We can press this foot switch, then we will lift the PCB, see how much suction capability it is having, and by releasing the foot switch we can drop it down. So this is a very effective tool for handling small and large size PCBs and SMD components. Hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching.